Welcome to Danny's podcast on technology. I'm your host, Daniel Parente, here to talk all things tech and keep you plugged into the latest innovations and trends on the market. As professional writer and professor in the field of technology, my goal is to break down complex technology topics into bite-sized discussions for everyone. Grab a snack, settle in, and let's have some fun. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. These technologies are totally changing the game when it comes to making sense of data to guide business strategy. Companies that tap into AI are going to pull way ahead of the pack, and old-school guys clinging to manual analysis will get left behind. I'm talking a night and day level difference in what you can understand about your customers, your operations, and market opportunities. And way faster, too. We're going from insight taking months to having your questions answered almost immediately. So on this episode, let's explore exactly how AI and ML are revolutionizing something called business intelligence. I'll make this stuff clear, break it down step by step, and show you how to get started. All right, first things first, business intelligence simply refers to the ways companies gather, organize, and learn from their data to make smart choices. And artificial intelligence is technology that mimics human thinking and analysis. Then, machine learning is a type of AI that gets smarter automatically as it processes more data, without needing new programming from engineers. Now, by taking all the messy data from your finance department, your sales team, website analytics, social media, and everything else, and layering on machine learning, you enable next-level intelligence. I'm talking detecting subtle patterns across millions of data points that reveal secret opportunities and threats. Automating complex number crunching that would take a human weeks of tedious work. Building models that make super accurate forecasts of the future. And giving leaders insights to guide strategy in hours instead of the months it takes today. AI won't replace human thinking and choices entirely. You still need creativity and experience. But it takes over the tedious parts so people can focus on big-picture vision and priorities. And provides data-backed intelligence to inform human decisions rather than just intuition and emotion. We end up with smarter choices. Now, there's a bunch of tactical ways AI can improve intelligence. Algorithms can process more data faster to uncover hidden trends and associations that guide marketing. Continuously monitor sales dashboards and automatically flag any suspicious drop-offs for checking. Predict which future products customers will love so you build the right things the first time. Write automated summaries explaining key metric changes to inform executives. But all those little applications are just scratching the surface of a much bigger revolution happening in how companies leverage data thanks to AI/ML. First, you get way faster access to insights. We're talking answers to important questions in hours or days rather than waiting months for analyst reports. This lets you adjust plans and tactics while opportunities are still fresh, rather than just gaining historical understanding. Next, you can finally incorporate all kinds of data beyond just tables of numbers and basic info that humans can parse through. Think video, images, audio, sentiment analysis, written text. Algorithms handle the variety and volume without breaking a sweat. This solves a big problem companies face today, not having enough skilled analysts and data scientists to keep up with all the intelligence needed to compete. Building models and running equations takes advanced expertise most teams lack. AI makes it possible to democratize access to intelligence without needing a PhD in statistics. And over the next 10 years and beyond, machines are just going to get smarter as tech keeps advancing, according to Moore's law, and networks expand. While humans have pretty fixed limits to how much data we can reasonably wrap our heads around at once. This means AI and ML will totally eclipse manual processes. Okay, so say I got you excited about ways artificial intelligence is going to revolutionize using data to compete and lead. You're sold on the vision, but also super pragmatic. How's this going to impact the metrics you care about as an executive? Fair question. Equipping your systems with machine learning delivers a bunch of measurable gains. We're talking 2 to 5% faster revenue growth on average thanks to way better customer targeting and product design informed by data. Plus 30 to 50% cost savings as you need fewer analysts to generate insights manually. Huge productivity gains across the company as leaders and frontline folks get access to intelligence to inform day-to-day decisions. Not to mention scoring early wins from AI that competitors will take years to catch up to. All right, hopefully now this opportunity is sounding pretty compelling. But most leaders I talk with feel kind of overwhelmed even trying to wrap their heads around it. Getting started with AI and machine learning feels intimidating unless you break it down. Here's a simple step-by-step plan. First, audit your current reporting and analytics processes to find the biggest needs and pain points where algorithms could help. Look for tedious human tasks that feel manual, slow, or limited by the complexity of the data. Prioritize questions executives keep asking that better predictions could inform. Next, thoroughly assess your current data infrastructure, tools, and teams to make sure the foundation is solid. Because AI and ML can only augment existing capabilities, not magically fix incomplete data pipelines or governance. Then start small but make it count. Run a focused 2-3-month pilot proving an AI model's value for a clear goal like automating inventory alerts. Target an area where you have decent data and some skilled talent on hand already. And finally, apply lessons from the pilot to expand the approach across other functions and use cases. This lets you build momentum and experience while slowly improving systems. I get why all of this sounds kind of out there if you're an old school leader. But ignoring AI means putting yourself seriously behind the 8 ball and getting disrupted faster than you see it coming. Take the time to understand this stuff now and brainstorm how to apply it within your business before rivals force your hand. Prioritize getting incremental wins that stack up over the next year. Because I guarantee you algorithms are already hard at work for your hungrier competitors, crunching numbers and unlocking game-changing insights you can't afford to miss out on. Don't end up losing because of avoidable blind spots. Get curious, be proactive, and start down the path now toward intelligence that fuels the next level of performance for your company. The Scripts covers the key opportunities of AI and ML to transform business intelligence, along with tangible benefits and practical steps to start putting this into action right away. Let me know what other topics you'd find valuable for a future episode. And that wraps up another fun and hope-interesting episode of Danny's podcast on technology. As always, hit subscribe and ding that notification bell to join me next time. I had a blast geeking out over today's topic with you all. Feel free to connect on social media with any questions, comments, or suggestions for future episodes. I can't wait to connect more in the comments and bring another dynamic technology conversation your way soon. Until next time, my fellow tech heads, this is your host signing off. Stay curious and keep looking forward, my friends. The future awaits.